It's Tour Time Tuesday, and I'm Lesley Lopez with the Lopez team. We are at house number 1 at 8310 Greensburg Road in Martinsburg, West Virginia. I am standing in front of a beautiful in-ground pool, 18 by 36, with a beautiful cedar home and a large 8.3 acre lot where you can have your horses or maybe even cattle. There's even a barn in the background. So hey, if you are interested, give me a call today. Be the first one to see it. 304-671-2002. I'll see you at house number 2. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and we're at house number 2, located at 16 Stained Cedar Court in Martinsburg, West Virginia, right off of Greensburg Road. A 1 acre lot with an oversized split foyer, full finished basement, and gorgeous rural views. So give me a call today at 304-671-2002, and I'll see you at the next house. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm at Crossings on the Potomac, where I have an 8+ acre lot where you can build a big, beautiful home. This is property number 3. I'm now at the community area where we have a boat slip where you can put your boat. But this is a river lot, so why be here when you can build your dream home with your own dock? I will see you at the next house. Give me a call. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm at property number 4, located at 49 Pluto Place in Wildflower Ridge subdivision, right here in Martinsburg, West Virginia. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 fully finished levels, a fully fenced backyard with a deck, and even a pool table. So call me today at 304-671-2002, and this house could be yours. See you at the next property. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm at property number 5, located at 44 Iden Lane here in Martinsburg, West Virginia. Located in a really nice community. This lot is fabulous. It even comes with a pool. The house is great because it has room for expansion. What a nice rancher with a full basement. Give me a call today at 304-671-2002. 179.9, and it's yours. I'll see you at the next property. Bye. It's House Tour Tuesday, and I'm at property number 6, which I like to call the Mansion in the Orchards, surrounded by beautiful apple trees here in the Arden District of Berkeley County. This executive level home is gorgeous inside with beautiful flowing rooms. Did I mention a guest suite or an in-law suite that's separate from the house? And fellas, 5 cars can be parked at this house in the detached garage and the side loading garage of this home. This house could be yours. Call me, 304-671-2002, and I'll see you next Tuesday at House Tour Tuesday. Bye.